Our planet is sending us a signal, from the cracking ice of the poles to the scorching breath of wildfires that turn skies orange. The message is clear. Our home is in distress. For generations, we've watched, documented, and debated. But what if we could do more than just watch? What if we had a partner, an ally, with the power to see patterns we can't and find solutions we've never imagined? This is the story of that ally. This is the story of artificial intelligence. In the face of rising tides and unpredictable storms, we are no longer just guessing. AI-powered climate models are running billions of simulations, predicting the future with breathtaking accuracy. They show us not just where the next hurricane might strike, but how to build our cities to withstand it. They are the digital crystal balls that give us a fighting chance to adapt and protect our communities before disaster strikes. This isn't science fiction, it's our new reality of survival. Look at our energy consumption. For over a century, our power grids have been wasteful and inefficient. Now AI is transforming them into intelligent, self-regulating networks. These smart grids can predict energy demand down to the minute, diverting power from solar farms on a sunny afternoon to where it's needed most, and storing excess wind energy for a calm day. This means less waste, lower emissions, and a seamless transition to a world powered by the sun and wind, not by burning our past. The biggest challenge has always been carbon dioxide, the invisible blanket warming our world. But what if we could pull it right out of the air? Across the globe, incredible new technologies are emerging. These are futuristic carbon capture facilities, and AI is their brain. AI optimizes the entire process, identifying the most effective locations, managing the chemical reactions, and ensuring that captured carbon is safely stored or even recycled into new products. It's turning our greatest pollutant into a potential resource. Beyond our cities and power plants, AI is becoming a guardian of the wild. AI-powered drones are reforesting vast landscapes, planting thousands of trees in a single day. In our oceans, robotic explorers monitor the health of coral reefs, identifying signs of bleaching and deploying targeted interventions. AI analyzes satellite imagery to track illegal deforestation in real time and even listens to the sounds of the jungle to protect endangered species from poachers. It's technology in service of nature's restoration. The scale of the climate crisis is immense, and it can feel overwhelming, but we are not powerless. For the first time in history, we have a tool powerful enough to match the complexity of the problem. AI is not a magic solution, but it is a profound accelerator of human ingenuity. It's the key that can unlock a sustainable future, a future where technology and nature coexist in harmony. The choice is still ours, the work is still ours. But with AI as our partner, we have more than just hope, we have a plan. The clock is ticking, but together, we can rewrite our planet's future. Thank you for watching. If you believe in this future, please share this video and join the conversation.